father came around every once in a while. You know, mother was there all the time. Summertime in Glenwood was not like TV. We were right there where we needed to be. Nebia boys on our road, performing the dance. Proud of themselves, no stereo they had. This is the Wilder Bible and the street little boys at the St. Pius Catholic Church make a joyful noise. More than one way home. Ain't no right way, ain't no wrong. Whatever road you might be on, find your own way, more than one way home. Got himself a job at the What If Funny, working weekdays after school from 5 to 9. DM Honey and Lungy with the neighborhood stars, with the hip-hop music and their boy racer cars. When the eagle flies on Friday, oh, the tough part of my hood. Keep it safe and honest from cats like you and I who are basically good. We're gonna take it to the adventure and I ride on the train. Different places, here we go again. C-G-E, all the one way, yeah. Amen. Ain't no right way, ain't no wrong. Whatever road you might be on, find your own way, more than one way home. Now he got himself a job at the What If Funny, like I said. He's still working from 9 to 5. All the brothers in the hood, they share the stuff that's really good. The other verses. I know the eagle flies on Friday over the rough part of my hood. Keep it safe and honest for people like you and I who are basically good. We gotta take it to adventure and a ride on that train. Different places, the places we go again. More than one way home. Ain't no right way, ain't no wrong. Whatever road you might be on, find your own way, more than one way home. Now we moved up the scale, he's on 100 PA. First-class tickets for him and his mom. They're off to L.A. with a ticket to adventure and a ride on that plane. Different faces, the places that they go again. You know the eagles who flies on Friday over the tough part of my hood. Keep it safe and honest for people like you and I who are basically good. We got a ticket to adventure and a ride on a plane. The places out there we go again. More than one way home. Shake that thing. Ain't no right way, ain't no wrong. Whatever road you might be on, that's the one we play. Find your own way, more. Yeah. That's the one. Blake, she's shaking something. I just have the kids do it in the food. Right way, in the wrong. If our road you might be on, find your own way. If Shaman, more please than one way. One more time from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. behave thyself. More to the one way home. Ain't no right way, ain't no wrong. Every road you might be on, son, find your own way more. One way home. Yeah, I said some more here. I'm coming up with some more here. Woo!